Experience driving perfection in the 2011 BMW X6M. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, power front seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, heated steering wheel, power moonroof, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power windows. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 16 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.